Red Pocket Mobile offers prepaid annual plans that provide unlimited talk, text, and data, with deprioritization after a set amount of high-speed data. These plans are designed for budget-conscious users seeking long-term service without contracts. Renewing your plan ensures continuous service without interruptions. You have two primary options for renewal. Auto renewal automatically charges your saved payment method, providing seamless continuity without needing to remember renewal dates. Manual payment requires you to log in and make a payment before your plan expires, giving you more control. As of 2025, Red Pocket's annual plans start around $119.99. However, missing the renewal can result in reactivation fees of $10 to $20, so it's important to stay on top of your plan expiration. Let's break down each renewal method. For auto renewal, ensure it's enabled in your Red Pocket account dashboard on their website or mobile app. To manually renew, log into your account, select Renew or Add Minutes, choose your plan, and enter your payment details. It's crucial to renew before the expiration date visible in your account to avoid service interruptions. If you prefer control over billing, manual renewal is the way to go. Otherwise, auto renewal is a convenient hands-free option.